Stop scrolling. Want to see the USA like a local, not a tourist? In the next 3 minutes, I'll unlock the top city tips that save time, money, and stress so you can actually enjoy your trip. Hey, I'm Alex, travel obsessive and city hopper. Today we're covering the ultimate city travel guide for the USA. What to see in must-visit cities, how to get around fast, where to eat, and mistakes to avoid. Stick around. There's a surprise budget hack halfway through. Start with a realistic itinerary. Pick 2 to 4 neighborhoods per city and plan one big museum or landmark per day. Why? Less running, more exploring. Quick visual. Imagine a triangle on the map and stay inside it. Pattern interrupt. Which city would you visit first? Drop it in the comments now. New York City. Ride a subway like a local, walk the High Line, and grab a bagel near a deli. Must see. Skyline views from a rooftop or Brooklyn Bridge at sunset. Los Angeles. Expect driving. Plan one day for Hollywood, one for the coast, Malibu or Santa Monica, and one for a neighborhood crawl. Silver Lake or Echo Park for coffee shops and murals. Chicago. Walk the lakefront, try deep dish once, then tacos from a food truck. Don't miss the view from 360 Chicago at sunset. San Francisco. Pack layers, take the ferry to Sausalito, and explore Fisherman's Wharf early to avoid crowds. Tip: ride a cable car for the view, not for efficiency. New Orleans. Let the music guide you. Wander the French Quarter at night and try beignets for breakfast. Safety tip: stick to well-lit streets after dark. Public transit passes, city tourist cards, and rideshare versus transit decisions. Quick tip: buy transit day passes for cities with heavy subway use. For driving cities, download parking apps ahead of time. Pattern interrupt, surprise stat. You can save up to 30% by booking attractions online in advance. Want a list? Type save in the comments. Which of these tips surprised you? What's your biggest travel frustration? Tell me below so I can make a video just for that. If this helped, hit subscribe for more city guides and like the video so others can find it. Watch my next video on affordable USA weekend itineraries. Link in the end screen. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and don't forget to comment your top city pick. Next week, I'll break down a perfect 48-hour plan for one city you choose, so subscribe and vote below. See you on the road!